When a small group of dedicated people come together to make a change and solve problems, they can, because our society leans toward problem solving. And when dedicated people work together, they can solve a lot of problems when they put the time and effort into it. The qualities and actions I like to portray in the classroom are engaging, anything that's going to get students to open up and be part of dialogues and building community with each other. Students have given me feedback that they feel connected to me, and then that helps them to connect to one another and build each other up in the classroom. So that's the rewards of teaching, is seeing them grow, seeing the light bulbs go off, and seeing them learn and develop. After the Tuscaloosa tornado in 2011, coming back that fall, we knew we'd be returning to our campus as we know it, but the town had changed a lot. So several of my students approached me and just asked for ways to be part of rebuilding Tuscaloosa, and I was so proud of several of them who volunteered with Habitat for Humanity, which has built, I think, 18 houses in Alberta City and areas of Tuscaloosa. And my students approached me to get involved with cleaning up the Black Warrior River. Several of my students devoted their COM 122 critical decision-making project to involving the board members of Black Warrior Riverkeeper in making some decisions that would help the mission of cleaning up the Black Warrior River. I have had so many wonderful students over the years, and I think it's hundreds, maybe thousands, I haven't really counted, but one of them in particular that comes to mind is he wrote to me a personal letter in handwriting to say being in my class and seeing the way I interacted with students inspired him and made him want to become a teacher. So it meant a lot too that he reached back to let me know that, because you don't always get to know. Teachers love thank you notes. It means as much to me as any teaching award I could ever receive. The honors communication book that I co-authored with a terrific colleague of mine, Jennifer Becker. The book is dedicated to empowering students, helping them find their voice in the classroom, and helping instructors to be able to build a classroom that builds community, that empowers the students, that cultivates their voice. Because when you help students cultivate a voice, they go on to empower other people to empower their voice, and you get this contagion and trickle ripple effect that we'd like to see in the classroom and outside of the classroom. Winning the Morris Lehman Mayer Award in 2022 is inspiring to me to carry on the legacy of outstanding teaching that was begun by Dr. Mayer years ago. To be honored in this way is flattering and humbling. I know that Dr. Mayer was one of the most outstanding teachers at the University of Alabama, and I am pleased to carry on his legacy of outstanding teaching.